Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name's Andrea and this is Beauty with Andy. So I'm just going to show you a quick project pan update. I've just realised I've forgotten something now. Yeah, so I'm just going to show you my quick project pan update. It's a little bit late, we're on the 1st of August, so it's not too late, but by the time it goes up it will be, I don't know, probably the 6th or the 7th of August. So yeah, I've just got a few videos scheduled that I want to go up first. This look in particular is from the Sweet Like Candy palette, so 3 looks, 1 palette are going to be going up with this. 3 days, 3 looks is the new series that I've been doing. So my thoughts on this first look from the palette will be going up. I've just filmed that video, so this is the eye look. So if you like the look of it and want to see how I've created it, keep an eye out for that video. But again, that one will be going up before this one does, so if you don't watch it, I will leave it in the cards anyway, like I always do. Right, so the palette that I actually forgot, which is the one that I've hit the most progress on, is this one. So we'll start with this first, and it's the Revolution and Imagination Highlight to the Moon palette. I'm really happy. It's nearly all gone. Obviously with these 2 powders went ages ago. I need to repress these ones and get it all out. So we've got Literally, which there's just a tiny bit there, and then Warrior, there's just a tiny bit here. Can't Deal and Cute, I might try mixing and seeing if I can get them to work and use them up as well. And then obviously we've got to work on the highlighters, but I don't know, I think I might put them in a project pan for 2021. I'm getting a bit fed up of the palette, if I'm being honest. I love the powders, but I want to bring something else in, and I've got my Charlotte Tilbury bronzer and highlighter duo that I want to try and work on as well. So yeah, I think I'll do that once I've finished those powders. Then we've got the PS Beauty Glow Intensity Shimmering Spray. So this has taken a while. Currently we're here. And that's purely because I don't use it, I don't like it. The only time I use it is to put it on a makeup sponge and kind of like press setting spray in, not this one, a different setting spray into the face, and also on my brushes to make the pigment a lot stronger. So I use it for that. I wouldn't buy it again, but yeah, we're nearly done with it. I'd say we're down here, so we'll carry on using that. What else? We've got another setting spray that I've finally realised I don't particularly like this that much either, but I have used it up a lot. I mean, it's a nice setting spray, it keeps your makeup on. What I don't like about it is it gives fine specks of glitter, which I didn't realise until like I was halfway done with the actual setting spray. So it's the W7 Ready Set Glow in Rose Gold. They do a normal one, a normal like clear one, so I might try that. It's very inexpensive, it's like £2.99, so yeah, there is that one. Right, foundations. I've not used these in a couple of weeks purely for the fact that I've been testing other foundations. I've been testing the Flower Beauty Light Illusion, which I'll leave either in the cards or at the end of the video. And yeah, I think that's it. I'm using the Flower Beauty one in my Shop My Stash, but today I've got a mix of these 2 on. So it's the Rimmel Wake Me Up Anti-Fatigue Skin Brightening Foundation Vitamin C. So this one is in the shade Ivory. They do it in porcelain. It doesn't look that light, but I am going to try it at some point. Let's have a look at the foundation, because I have mixed them. I do like the way it's looking. Yeah, so I do like the way the foundations are looking on the skin, but I have mixed them. So we've got this one that I've just mentioned, and then we have the CoverGirl True Blend. This one is in I2, and together they're just beautiful. It's a beautiful combination. Right, the next thing is this. I've not used it too much, but I have used it quite a few times. It's the Nivea Daily Essentials 24-hour Moisture and Express Primer, and it's gel cream, and I've said this so many times, when I'm out of this I'm going to buy a backup because it is such a nice primer, very hydrating for us dry skin ladies, so yeah, that's really nice. Right, perfume. I'm surprised at how well I've done. I mean, I'm sure last month when I brought this, I think I brought it in last month or like a week before I did the update, and this is it. I think it's, yeah, Vera Wang Love Struck, and can you see, I've got an itchy eye, can you see it is literally just here. So by next month we'll be on a new perfume for sure. Absolutely love this. I might keep this bottle, but yeah, it's a really gorgeous perfume. Let's pop some on. That's probably why I'm going through it so much, because I use so much of it. It is beautiful though, isn't it? Right, so the next thing is something I don't like too much, but I am trying to use it up. It's going to take forever to use it up. It's the NYX eyeshadow base in white, and I'm constantly using it. Every time I do my makeup I put this on, and I've been setting it with the Too Faced chocolate bar in, right, let's start again. So I've been setting it in, right, so I've been setting it with the white chocolate shade from the Too Faced chocolate bar. But it kind of gives me oily lids, so I wouldn't repurchase that either. This really wasn't supposed to be a video of products I wouldn't repurchase. I've already done that, and that should be on the channel soon. Right, so the next thing is this MUA Skin Define Hydro Powder. This is lasting me a long time, but basically I only use it for this section here to sculpt out where I put my bronzer. But even so, we're doing quite well with it. So yeah, that's that. I really like it. Concealer, I've been using this concealer a while. You can definitely see the windows in it. I do only put a tiny bit on. So yeah, that's the Rimmel Wake Me Up concealer in the shade, is it 10? Yeah, Ivory. So again, I don't know if they do a lighter shade of that anymore. I got these Rimmel Wake Me Up products quite a long time ago, and I'm just trying to use them up. Blushes that are in Project Pan are the NARS Orgasm. I have been using this quite a bit, but you're not going to be able to tell. It's such a big blush. I mean, there is a little bit of a dip here. I'm certainly not going to hit Pan by the end of the year. I'll probably keep it in for the following year. And then we've got this Too Faced Love Flush in Love Hangover. I did have this in last year. I only pulled it in a few months ago, and I've been using the NARS Orgasm and this one together, and it looks really pretty because they're similar shades. Next, right, so good old MAC Soft and Gentle. So this was in another drawer, and it was in my Project Pan last year. Didn't get a lot of use out of it last year, and I've been using it recently, just debating whether I want to keep or declutter, and I actually want to keep it for a little while longer. I think I'm going to have to buy a new one soon, but it's such a beautiful highlighter. I really like it, and I've wore it a lot this week and a lot last week as well. So yeah, we're definitely keeping hold of this, and I'm going to be keeping it in my everyday makeup drawer just so I know it's there, and I'm like, oh, let's use that today. So yeah, definitely going to be using that more. Right, so now we've got a couple of lipsticks. Let's talk about them. I don't normally do lipsticks, but these are in Project Pan. So we've got the Dior Underground. I won't swatch them because obviously you've seen them before in lip edits. And then we've got the Deck of Scarlet High Shine lipstick in Love Spell. You'd think I'd know the shade by now because I absolutely am obsessed with this. It smells of vanilla cupcakes and I just love it. So that's them. Right, and then brow products. So the brow products are these. So we've got the Revolution Brow Pencil. Let's practically all gone, guys. That is it. That's what's on the end. So I'm definitely going to be out of this one in the next couple of days, I would say, and I'll have to bring a new one in. Not sure what I'm going to use yet. And then I've got the Makeup Gallery Slay the Brow Gel up to 24-hour wear, and it's in the shade Brunette. Absolutely love this. I'm obsessed with it. It really is a good brow gel, and for £1, guys, you know, as well, I definitely need more for the collection. Right, so mascara and eyeliner that I pulled in is the Too Faced Love Perfect Eyes Waterproof Eyeliner in Perfect Black, I think it is. Yeah, Perfect Black. So we're using that one. The reason we're using that one, I had to throw out the MAC Graph Black eyeliner because it was one of those that you just twist up. It's not like I could sharpen it. I had an eye infection and I had to throw out all the eye products that I couldn't sanitize, so I had to throw out that, and I had to throw out my mascara. So this is the mascara that we're using now. It's the Makeup Gallery Turn Up the Volume and Define mascara, and this one comes from Poundland as well, and it is such a good mascara, guys. I love the wand on it. So yeah, it's really good. Absolutely love it. It's buildable, and it just makes your eyelashes look really nice. So I'm wearing it today. But yeah, it's really pretty. Right, something I haven't used so much. Well, there's a couple of things in here that I haven't used so much. So we've got the Colourpop Super Shock eyeshadow in Hanky Panky. I mean, I don't know why I've not used it. I mean, look how close we are. I mean, we've hit pan anyway, but we're so close to finishing it. And then we've got this one in Lace Detail by NYX. This one is a cream ivory shade. The reason I've not been using this as much is because I'm using the white chocolate shade, and it's exactly the same shade, and I want to get more use out of the Too Faced chocolate palette rather than this, but very rare I come to this and use that. And then the last thing is this eyeshadow pencil, eyeliner pencil, that's for the waterline, and I've been using eyeshadow on the lash line, especially when I test new palettes, so I've not been using this for a long time. I need to start using it again. It's just a nude eyeliner pencil. It looks really nice on the lash line. So yeah, this is everything that's in my project pan. This is my project pan update. I've made more progress on some things rather than on others. I'm quite pleased, and yeah, I'm going to continue to use everything, and I'll give you another update next month. I'm not going to give you an update on the Too Faced chocolate bar palette just because I've not used it enough. I mean, I've been using it the last few days for the white chocolate shade, and the salted caramel shade has got a little bit more of a dip in it, but all the other shades, the six shades that I need to pan by the end of the year, I don't think it's going to happen. But I have got significant dips on the white chocolate shade and salted caramel shade, so I'm going to continue to use that for another month, and then in September, no, at the end of August, sorry, we will go through it and I'll show you, regardless of how well I've done or not, of what it looks like. So yeah, guys, this is everything for today. Thank you so much for watching. It really does mean a lot that you're spending some time with me. If you've not already subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, like, share and comment, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.